Today we're gonna make green beans stir-fried green beans. For this we're gonna need green beans. I cut them into pieces like these. These two were cut by my son. He wanted to help me, so he cut the green beans for me on these two. This is the usual way I normally cut it. And we need some curry leaves and 2 green chilies. I'm going to use some salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And I'm going to use water because I don't use oil. So we're going to warm up the pan and we're going to add some water to the pan. You're going to boil the water. Our water is boiling. I'm going to add the curry stuff in the water. Our water boiled, so I added the curry stuff. Now I'm going to add the green beans. I'm going to stir fry this in water. And add a little bit more water. I'm going to fry this in water. Green beans is ready. We're going to add some lemon juice and lime juice. This is our green bean stir fry. Thank you.